And happy first day of spring to you. I'm meteorologist John Farley. Today we got 70s, but they're not going to last. Check this out. You can see this shot in Oakland. The flags are blowing. The sea breeze is back. We're cooling down. I'll give you specifics coming up in just a bit.
Hey, John, your timing? Pretty good.
Not bad, Heather. Yeah, first day of spring, and we did okay. Let me show you what we got for temperatures around the Bay Area today. And you'll see the warmest spots in the South Bay. Mid-70s, Morgan Hill to San Jose. East Bay temperatures you can see in the low 70s, but notice near the beaches, temperatures cooling off. And let me take you outside right now and show you what's going on. There we are in San Francisco, and you know, this happens on live TV. Just a minute ago, trust me, that flag was really blowing, and I wanted to show you why things are cooling off. But we're in a lull right now in the sea breeze, but that's the story. So let me give you a quick look at the forecast. If you're headed out this evening, grab the jacket. Even though that flag wasn't blowing very hard right there, it will be as we go through the evening. So breezy and cool tonight. As we go to tomorrow, still breezy and cool, and eventually, in the first week of spring, we will start to warm things up, especially as we go Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll give you specifics on that in my 5-day forecast coming up in just a second. Let me give you a peek at the satellite view and show you why we're going to cool off. Take a look here. A good blob of moisture down here to our southwest, and if it were to land on us, we'd get soaked, but it's not going to happen. This whole thing is pushing farther to the north, and in fact, the southern edge of the rain will probably be around Ukiah or so. For us, what's going to happen is we're going to get wind coming in off of the water, and as you know, the water's cold. So whenever the wind comes off the water, things are going to cool off, and that's going to be the story for us tomorrow. And then as we go into Monday, we're going to bump it up to even windy. In fact, by Monday, if you're near the beaches, we're going to see winds in the range of about 30 miles an hour. So it's going to be gusting pretty good, and it's going to feel pretty cool on Monday. But we will start to recover as we go to Tuesday and beyond. All right, let me give you a peek as I see it. The temperatures overnight tonight, not too cold. We're looking at numbers in the 40s, but again, if you're going out early, it is a little cool with that sea breeze blowing. You'll see temperatures here. I'll step back off the screen. You'll see numbers 40s generally all over the place. Now, as we go into tomorrow, well, not as warm as today. Near the beach is about the same, but inland is where you'll notice the cool down. Places like Antioch, inland spots like Vallejo. Temperatures, as opposed to the 70s, we're dropping back into the 60s. I'll give you some other numbers here. We'll fly to the south. Morgan Hill, you say goodbye to the mid-70s. You're talking 60s, and you can see 60s all over the place on this map. Let me give you a peek now at my 5-day forecast, and you'll see, as I expect, the temperatures will continue down for a couple of days, but by the time we get to Tuesday, there's a lot of sunshine out there, and the temperatures will warm. The next threat of rain, well, that's long about Thursday. So between now and then, we're doing okay.
It's what they call changeable this time of year.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of variance. Yeah, it certainly is.
Thank you, John.
Thanks, John.